Well, Heather, something that's not up right now, temperatures. In fact, we're 20 to 25 degrees still, cooler than what we were just 24 hours ago. Thick cloud cover is once again right in place. Temperature just hasn't moved this morning. 48 degrees as we're now heading into the afternoon hours. Cloudy conditions. Notice the winds out of the west at 9 miles an hour. Our barometer has gone up. It's 29 and 94 hundredths of an inch now. Dew point, that measure of moisture at the surface, coming in at 37 degrees as well. It's going to be a cold one tomorrow morning as well. Currently, it's 48 in Pittsburgh, 47 in Butler, Beaver Falls 50 degrees, and 52 in Denora. Washington at 49 degrees, Latrobe at 48. We might have some 30s out there in some of the elevated areas like Seven Springs. Waynesburg coming in 51 degrees this hour. Overall today, mostly cloudy, 57 your expected high. Winds out of the northwest, 7 to 15 miles an hour. Just been out of the west so far, but we should see a change at some point over the course of the afternoon. So we do expect by 2 o'clock, maybe get those temperatures into the mid-50s, 56 at 4. We're still forecasting that high of 57 degrees. Still looks like we'll get there. One of the reasons for that, even though it's dry now, we have a trough that's just off to our west. And notice what happens. You see right here, before that trough gets here, later on tonight, we have some breaks in the clouds. So I think a little bit of sunshine will work its way in as we're heading into the afternoon hours. That'll likely help to lift those temperatures up into the 50s. And then what about the rain? You're saying, well, I see that rain. When does it get here? Well, let's take you through the afternoon. By 5 o'clock, well, we're getting some breaks in the clouds, especially from really Allegheny County to the south. Here comes the rain. It arrives at around 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. This is at 10 o'clock. At least this particular model showing the possibility that we could get a little bit of rain, some light moisture by as soon as 10 o'clock. I'll say 9 to 10 o'clock in Allegheny County, Westmoreland County. You won't be very much far behind that. By 2 o'clock, pretty much everyone in western Pennsylvania is getting some rain. And then overnight, as we're heading into the morning hours, rain starts to come to an end, but we will have a chance for a couple of maybe flurries, maybe even a pocket of sleet or two in elevated areas that we'll watch closely for. After that, now north of I-80, you'll still have a chance for some rain over the course of Saturday, and that would be because of some lake effect rain coming in off of Lake Erie if we see that. So how much rain are we looking at? Well, I think probably, we might get a quarter of an inch, but I really think it's going to be more like a 1/10 of an inch of rain that we'll likely get. And you can see that quarter of an inch is what model data at least is showing. So we do have a small chance for rain today and a small chance for rain on Saturday. We'll split the difference because the rain will come in the overnight hours. It'll start tonight and it'll continue as we're waking up tomorrow morning. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. It's a cool one. Say goodbye to those 80s. Say goodbye to the 70s. 50s on the board.
The new normal.
57, yeah, there you go, the new normal. 57 today, even some wake-up temperatures below 40 degrees, so it is going to be cold. It's one of the reasons why we could see a couple of flurries out there tomorrow, places like the Laurel Highlands.
Wow, it's here. We've been talking about it. You warned us.
Yep.
Yeah, it's here to stay at least for a little while.
Did you grab the jacket this morning?
Of course I did. The heat will be on tonight, I can promise you. Right. Thanks so much, Ron.
Yeah.